Now, right at the top, we have some breaking news coming in. According to officials, a stampede-like situation broke out due to the overwhelming crowds near the Sangam Ghat. At least 18 devotees have been injured in the stampede. This is, of course, at the Mahakumbh Mela, which is underway in Prayagraj. Ambulances have been quickly dispatched, and those who have been affected have been taken to the nearest hospital for treatment. And this incident has also caused a slight delay in the start of the Amrit Snan. The Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya is the most significant ritual of the Mahakumbh.
आपने देखा होगा जो सुबह जो भी कुछ हुआ है और इसीलिए सरहित को देखते हुए हमने निर्णय लिया है कि आपने देखा होगा हमारे अखाड़े में पूरे सिंहासन लगे हैं और जितने संत महात्मा सभी स्नान के लिए तैयार थे और नागा सन्यासी हमारे जितने थे सभी जुलूस में देवता हमारे कंधे पे थे। जब हमें सुनने में आया है कि जो ये घटना घटी है इसीलिए हमने जनहित को देखते हुए तुरंत निर्णय लिया कि हम आज का मौनी अमावस का स्नान नहीं करेंगे।
एकदम से पब्लिक फंसी, एकदम से भगदड़ भई है, आने जाने का रास्ता नहीं मिल पाया रहा। तो
वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों ने भगदड़ की है, शासन भगदड़ हुई है, वैसे नहीं हुई है भगदड़, बड़े आराम से लोग जा रहे हैं।
एकदम से
एक तो ये प्रशासन की ये कमी थी कि उन्होंने वन वे खोल रखा था, रोड जो था ना एक ही रोड खोल रखा था।
क्या है वहाँ ना तो कोई पुलिस थी, कोई यानी वो नहीं थी कि पुलिस उसको हटाए, कोई नहीं, कोई मदद के लिए नहीं आया।
Now, essentially, the Mahakumbh Mela, which is underway in Prayagraj, is the largest religious gathering in the world. It had essentially kicked off on the 13th of January in Prayagraj itself, and it's set to go on until the 26th of February. There are millions who are taking part in the Mahakumbh Mela. People come from not just across the nation, but across the world as well. And it's particularly auspicious this year because there is a special celestial alignment that only occurs every 144 years. But unfortunately now, a stampede-like situation has occurred. As far as the details are concerned, there are 18 devotees who've been injured at this point. Let's take a look at a ground report for more.
Stampede-like situation is concerned, what we are learning through our sources in the central hospital is that as many as 30 to 40 devotees have received injuries, and all of them are receiving treatment in the central hospital. That is not far from this place, but let me give you a sense of what the situation on the ground looks like. This area earlier was designated for akharas. This was specially for the procession of akharas, but now as you can see, this has been opened for general public because of the crowd management. There was a lot of crowd in the morning, and now just to make sure that that there is not much crowd in one area, now this specific designated spot for akharas has been opened for public. In the visuals, let me show you millions and millions, sea of devotees here you can see, and just to control the crowd, now this specific area that was designated for procession of akharas has now been opened for public, and this has happened after the stampede-like situation arose in the morning. And what we are learning is around 40 devotees have received injuries. They all have been shifted to the central hospital, which is more than a kilometer away from this specific location. They all are receiving treatment, but as per what really led to this situation, and how can the government make sure that this does not happen again? But right now, let me show you the visuals right here. As I was telling that this was the area that was designated especially for akharas and their procession, but now as you can see, this has been opened for public because Amita, 8 to 10 crore people are going to come to Prayagraj today for this Mahakumbh Mela, and that is why these arrangements have been made. On the first day of Mahakumbh Mela, there were 1.5 crore people. On the next day, that was on January 14, there were 3.5. Yesterday, there were 5 crore people, and today 8 to 10 crore people are going to come here. This number can also climb up to 12 crore is what we are learning. Hence, we can see that several arrangements have been made by the administration here to make sure that the crowd here is controlled. And as you also mentioned, that VIP movement is not allowed today. No vehicles are allowed to come to the Mela areas. Absolutely, we did not see any vehicle at all in this area. But there were several places in the Mela area where there was a lot of crowd, and we spoke to a lot of people here, and they told us that it was because a lot of people were confused which way to go, because all of these lanes, they lead to one specific location, that is the Sangam Nose. So a lot of people were confused which way to actually go, and that is why we witnessed a lot of crowd at one specific location near the Sangam Nose, and there was absolutely no crowd at other locations as well. But as you can also hear, announcements have been made by the administration and the police officers here, asking people to straight away go to the Sangam Ghat, take a dip and then head back. Do not start clicking pictures there or sit there because a lot of people, a lot of crowd is, as you can see, is coming this way. 8 to 10 crore people are expected to come today, and hence now all these arrangements have been.
All right, that was a ground report from my colleague Akanksha. We'll now take a look at another ground report on the stampede conducted by my colleague Ashutosh. All right, instead what we'll do is we'll bring you more details about what exactly has taken place here. Essentially, a stampede-like situation had occurred in Prayagraj with the Mahakumbh Mela being underway. We'll now cross over to my colleague Ashutosh, who joins us.
कुकर काम लेके जावांगे हमारी दादी ने नान घाट बता के न हम आए तो खुशी खुशी थे हम नहा के आवांगे अरे हम गाँव में कुकर बढ़ाएंगे
Now, essentially, when it comes to the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj, as we were telling you, there are millions of devotees who come from not just across the nation, but across the world. So one can expect massive crowds, but in an ideal world, one can also expect crowd management. Unfortunately, a stampede-like situation has occurred, but fortunately, the situation does seem to be under control at the moment. You can see live visuals on your screens at this point from Prayagraj, massive crowds, of course, at all times of the day. But as far as the details are concerned when it comes to the stampede-like situation, according to the details that we have, 18 people are feared to have been injured in connection with the stampede. You can see that the ambulances are also rushing into the crowds to get to those who have been injured. They've been transported to nearby hospitals to get treatment as quickly as possible as well. Now, several people, including women and children, have suffered injuries. But beyond this as well, what we're learning is that the Rapid Action Force personnel, they've also been deployed as there are lakhs of devotees on the ground. Let's cross over to my colleague Ashutosh.
ये आई थी अच्छा ये हम तो पैदल आए बाद में फिर हम तो एक्सप्रेस आए हम तो ढूंढते यहाँ पर
बिल्कुल देखिए आप जो परिजनों का जो दर्द है साफ तौर पे बयां हो रहा है कि किस तरीके से वो हंसते खेलते यहाँ पर मौनी अमावस्या के अमृत स्नान के लिए पहुंचे थे, लेकिन वो दर्द उनको मिला है जो जिंदगी भर सालता रहेगा। प्रयागराज से केस के साथ आशुतोष सिंह, टाइम्स नाउ, नव भारत।
Now, it's important to know that as far as the crowds are concerned, we'll give you a few more figures to understand how massive the crowds are at the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj. Up until now, remember the Mahakumbh Mela began on the 13th of January, but up until now, there have been more than 15 crore devotees who've taken a dip in the holy water so far. Now, essentially what the situation is like at this point is that a stampede had occurred at the Sangam Nose area of the Mahakumbh. This had occurred a few hours ago. This reportedly occurred at around 1 a.m. Early in the hours, and a large number, this apparently occurred because a large number of devotees had actually gathered at the site. Let's listen into some statements that have come in.
एकदम से पब्लिक फंसी, एकदम से भगदड़ भई है, आने जाने का रास्ता नहीं मिल पा रहा हो तो
वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों ने भगदड़ की है, शासन भगदड़ हुई है, वैसे नहीं हुई है भगदड़, बड़े आराम से लोग जा रहे हैं।
एकदम से
एक तो ये प्रशासन की ये कमी थी कि उन्होंने वन वे खोल रखा था, रोड जो था ना एक ही रोड खोल रखा था।
क्या है वहाँ ना तो कोई पुलिस थी, कोई यानी वो नहीं थी कि पुलिस उसको हटाए, कोई नहीं, कोई मदद के लिए नहीं आया।
So stampede had occurred at the Sangam Nose area of the Mahakumbh. This reportedly occurred at around 1 a.m. And this was, again, possibly because there was a large number of devotees who were gathered at the site. In the aftermath of this incident, the second Amrit Snan had been temporarily suspended. We'll give you more details essentially about the significance of it. The Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya is the most significant ritual of the Mahakumbh. Now, importantly, ambulances were quickly dispatched and those who were affected were taken to the nearest hospital for treatment. The incident, as we mentioned, had caused a slight delay in the start of the Amrit Snan. Let's take a look at another ground report.
अखाड़ा परिषद की ओर से जो फैसला लिया गया है वो बिल्कुल सही फैसला लिया गया है, क्योंकि देखिए अगर संगम क्षेत्र में जब भगदड़ के बाद पहले ही लोगों के बीच में एक दहशत का माहौल है और उस बीच में जब नागा साधु और हजारों की संख्या में, लाखों की संख्या में जब देश के अलग अलग कोने से पहुंचे हुए जो श्रद्धालु, सभी अखाड़ों के श्रद्धालु वहां पहुंचते तो निश्चित तौर पे जो हालात हैं वो और थोड़े से बिगड़ सकते थे। और यही कारण है कि चूंकि अखाड़ा परिषद के अध्यक्ष हैं वो लगातार सभी अखाड़ों के संपर्क में थे, यानी 13 अखाड़ों के संपर्क में थे। और जब हादसा हुआ और हादसे के बाद सभी लोगों की मीटिंग हुई होती बताया जा रहा है और इसके बाद ये निर्णय लिया गया कि फिलहाल जो सिचुएशन है उसको देखते हुए जो आज अमृत स्नान, जो दूसरा अमृत स्नान है जिसका बहुत महत्व होता है, उसको फिलहाल कैंसिल कर दिया गया। और अब जो अगला स्नान होगा, यानी जो बसंत पंचमी के दिन जो तीसरा स्नान होगा, उसमें ये सभी जो साधु संत हैं वो तीसरा स्नान करेंगे। तो अखाड़ा परिषद के एक सुर से सभी लोगों ने इसमें आम सहमति जताई है और उसके बाद ये फैसला लिया गया है। जहां तक प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की बात है तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी लगातार योगी आदित्यनाथ के टच में है। बताया ये जा रहा है कि उन्होंने घटना को लेकर, इस हादसे को लेकर योगी आदित्यनाथ से भी बात की है, घटना के बारे में उन्होंने उनसे जानकारी ली है और क्या संभव हो सकता है आगे, क्या कुछ किस तरीके से जो घायल हैं, जो पीड़ित हैं, उनको रिलीफ दिया जाए, इसके बारे में उन्होंने इस बाबत बातचीत की है। और फिलहाल देखिए अब शुक्र की बात यह है, बेहतर बात यह है कि अब जो इस केंद्रीय चिकित्सालय के अंदर जो पीड़ितों की जो संख्या, जो जख्मी लोगों की जो संख्या थी, जो लगातार एम्बुलेंस आ रहे थे, वो फिलहाल थम गया है। पिछले 10 से 15 मिनट में अभी तक एक भी एम्बुलेंस नहीं आया। तो यानी जो हादसे में जख्मी हुए जो लोगों की संख्या है वो लगभग अब 60-62 के ही आसपास है, इससे बढ़ने वाली नहीं है। क्योंकि अगर वो संख्या बढ़ती तो निश्चित तौर पे, चूंकि वहां पर संगम क्षेत्र में हमारी सहयोगी दीपिका है, तो कुछ ना कुछ वहां से अपडेट मिलता है। लेकिन जो लोग मिसिंग हैं, सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जो लापता है उनकी तलाश में जो लोग हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं भटक रहे हैं।
So that's an update from the ground from my colleague Ashutosh itself, who's tracking all the developments as far as the stampede-like situation has occurred. Now, one key detail that he's also brought to light is that the Prime Minister has actually had a conversation with the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who was at the site just a few days ago, also taking part in the Shahi Snan. But essentially, as far as